MRCOOL DIY Ductless Heat Pump Split System. For homeowners who tend to like to do something on their own, the MRCOOL DIY Ductless Heat Pump Split System is strongly appealing for one specific reason: you may be able to install it yourself. With most of the rest of the options you'll find on the market, it will be necessary to hire an HVAC pro to do the work. If you'd rather do the job yourself, looking at the MRCOOL and what it has to offer is worth your time. There is some flexibility to the installation process with this unit thanks to the ample 25-foot line set that is included. What that means is that you'll be able to pick the ideal spot in your home for the indoor unit to live, and you can select the right spot outdoor for the outdoor unit as well. Many other mini splits include line sets around the 15-foot mark, so give the MRCOOL unit special consideration if you need that added flexibility. Beyond the DIY nature of this product, it's also appealing if you're looking for ways to enhance your home with smart technology. You'll have to do nothing additional to get this unit to work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, so you'll have the ability to dial up or down the temperature in a room just with the use of your voice. If you choose the MRCOOL unit as the right option for your home, be sure to carefully consider the size of your room you'll be using it in, so you can then order the right power rating option. There are 4 options available, with a 12,000 BTU model suitable for a room around 500 square feet, and up to the biggest 36,000 BTU version capable of serving a large 1500 square foot space. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.